You're not losing because you're weak. You're losing because your excuses are stronger than your actions. I need you to hear this with your whole heart, not just your ears. Your excuses are the biggest walls standing between you and the life you're dreaming of. Not your past, not your family, not your city, not your situation. It's the stories you keep telling yourself every time life asks you to step up. Excuses feel safe. They feel warm. They protect your comfort zone like a blanket. But they're lying to you. They're slowly suffocating the future version of you. And if you don't kill them now, they will kill everything you could have been. Let's be real for a moment. I know you're tired. I know life has hit you harder than you expected. I know there were days you gave everything you had, and it still wasn't enough. I know you feel stuck sometimes, like you're running on a treadmill while the world moves ahead without you. But listen carefully. None of that gives you permission to quit on yourself. You've survived days you thought you wouldn't. You've carried pain that most people don't even see. You've held yourself together in moments where breaking would have been easier. You've fought silent battles nobody knows about. So don't you dare act like you're weak. You're not weak. You're tired. And tired warriors don't need excuses. They need direction. Every time you tell yourself, "I'll start tomorrow," you're borrowing happiness from your future and spending it on nothing. Tomorrow won't save you. Motivation won't magically appear. Life won't suddenly become easy. You have to move. Even when your heart is heavy and your mind is messy. Let me tell you something raw. Nobody is coming to push you. Nobody is coming to wake you up. Nobody is coming to drag you out of bed and say, "Come on, let's build the life you want." This journey is on you, and that sounds harsh, but it's the most freeing truth you'll ever learn. Because it means you don't need permission and you don't need approval. You just need courage, not confidence. Courage. Confidence comes later. Think about the excuses that trap you. I don't have time. You do. You're just giving your time to the wrong things. I'm not good enough. You're comparing your chapter 1 to someone's chapter 20. What if I fail? Then you learn. Then you try again. Then you grow. It's too hard. Of course it is. The things that change you always are. And deep down, you know these excuses aren't real barriers. They're shields. Shields meant to protect you from discomfort, judgment, and pain. But here's the emotional truth. Comfort is expensive. It costs you your dreams. It costs you your potential. It costs you the pride you could have felt when you looked in the mirror and said, "I didn't quit." You have a version of yourself inside you that you haven't even met yet. Stronger, smarter, more disciplined, more alive. And that version of you is begging you to stop holding back. Picture yourself a year from now. Will you be proud of the choices you're making today? Or will you regret the excuses you kept feeding? It's time to choose pride over regret. When you're tired, keep going. When you're scared, keep going. When you're unsure, keep going. When the road feels dark and lonely, keep going. Because I promise you something from the deepest place of truth. There is a moment waiting for you where everything clicks. A moment where you look back and realize the pain made you stronger, the struggle made you wiser, and the discipline made you unstoppable. But you only reach that moment if you refuse to surrender to excuses. So stand up in your own life. Stand up for your dreams. Stand up for the child inside you who once believed anything was possible. Don't betray that kid. You owe it to yourself to try. You owe it to yourself to fall forward. You owe it to yourself to bleed for the future you want. Kill your excuses. They've taken enough from you already. You're stronger than your doubts. You're bigger than your fears. And you're absolutely capable of building the life you keep imagining. Start today. Start messy. Start scared. But start. Because the only thing standing between you and what you want isn't talent or luck or timing. It's the excuse you're holding on to right now. Let it go. Step forward and take your life back.